This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf 27 MDK is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Mesa, Arizona, 85202 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Mesa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front living area, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.